Hi again, all my crafty friends. If you are new here, I'm Dawn, and you have found Designs by Gaddis. If you enjoy DIYs, flips, and everything farmhouse, you are in the right place. On my channel, I love bringing you fun, simple, and affordable home decor DIYs on a budget. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you like what you see, hit the bell notification and leave me a comment. Now for our first DIY. This is another cute inspiration I got from the At Home website. I loved this little monogram sign. I thought it would be perfect for a tea or tray, and I had all the supplies to make it in my stash. So it's free, and you all know how much I love free. I had this piece of wood in my scrap pile, and it was already the perfect size. I sanded it lightly and cleaned it with rubbing alcohol. I added a small amount of water to a bowl, and then added Dollar Tree black acrylic paint and stirred it to create a black stain. I painted the wood with the stain and then wiped it off with a baby wipe. After I dried the wood with my hot air gun, I realized it was lighter than I really wanted. So I added more paint to the water and reapplied it to the wood block. This time the color was perfect. I laid this 4-inch coaster on top of the board and traced around it with a pencil. I then painted the inside of the square using Waverly plaster chalk paint. I was having trouble getting straight lines, so I decided to use a Dollar Tree wood square. I haven't been able to find these in quite a while, so I'm not sure if they are still carrying them. I have used these squares so often, I really wish I could find more. I used the plaster paint and painted the square. I applied 2 coats of paint and sanded the wood between coats. I attached the board to the wood using hot glue. I used a Dollar Tree emery board to distress the white board by going around the edges and corners. To distress the white board even more, I used the same mixture I used on the wood around where I had distressed it, and then used a baby wipe to remove the excess. Since my last name is Gaddis, I used my Cricut and cut out the letter G and applied it to the center of the white board. I wanted to try to distress the vinyl, so I dry brushed the letter with more of the plaster paint and smeared it with a baby wipe. I also used plaster paint around the wood block to distress it. I think this little monogram wood sign turned out amazing. and it'll look great on my tiered tray or on my shelf in the living room. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly home decor DIY videos, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. So go ahead and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Until next time, happy crafting!